Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the X34 Landspeeder and this is from Star Wars and from this is by Hot Wheels from the Screen Time series. And honestly, I'm not much of a Star Wars fan, so I don't know much about this particular casting. So don't ask me anything regarding this. So I'm just going to strike towards the review. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Honestly, it looked really cool, so I actually bought it. And I really wanted to do a review just for the Star Wars fans. Okay, okay. So let me just put this aside. So here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really nice. Okay, let me see if there is anything here. Does look like okay. Okay. So honestly, I never actually saw this particular vehicle in movie or anything. So I don't know much about it, but from a review perspective, I'm just going to do this. Okay. So the body is metal, including this part here. I'm hoping that this is a propeller, and the chassis, including these two pieces here. I'm hoping that these are also propellers. So all these things are plastic. So only this part here till this part here, this is metal, and the seats here, interior here, and everything is plastic. So Star Wars fans, let me know, is this how it is supposed to look like? And I'm not sure about the where the headlights and tail lights are, but hoping that these are the tail lights. But it looks really nice, so I bought it. I don't know. There are two pieces here. I was thinking that you can open or something. Let me just see that back side of the card. Okay, it doesn't say anything at all there. Okay, it has wheels here. So I think this is supposed to be a vehicle which runs in water. I hope I'm not wrong about that. Okay, let's weigh this particular casting. Okay, exactly 30 grams. Not bad. Okay, so honestly, the paint job looks really nice. I don't see much of an issue there. So for Star Wars fans, this is going to be a really, good addition if you ask me. Okay, let's see if this fits the track. No, it doesn't. I don't think we will be able to do a roll test with this one. Let's try here. Mm, honestly, with a lot of push, it's not really rolling well. Maybe because the wheels are really relatively small compared to a normal main line. You can see it is very small here. But this would be a good addition, if it is, going to kept as a showpiece, and more specifically for Star Wars fans. So honestly, guys, I didn't want to, go through a Wikipedia or something just for this video, just to look like I'm a Star Wars fan or I know a lot about Star Wars. So that's the reason I didn't do any of those things. So if it is something related to Spider-Man, I know like 95% of the things very well. So, but when it comes to Star Wars or anything, I don't know really anything at all. So I just wanted to do a review as a common person instead of being a fan. So that's the reason I didn't even go through any material in Wikipedia or anything before doing this review. So this is just my honest review about this particular casting. So rest is up to you guys. So, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.